the 10th. First of everybody have to get in mind which is called the electricity. Generally, the motion of the electric charge is called the electricity. What is the electric charge? So generally there are many components of the electricity like that: electric charge, electric current, electric potential, resistivity, resistance and capacitance. We know that, and we are familiar also. Now, what is the electric charge? Means electric charge, the formula of the electric charge is equal to Q is equal to N, means number of electrons and the product of the charge of the electrons. Okay. Now we have to see here electric charge, which is called the electric charge. Electric charge. So first off, the formula of electric charge is equal to Q is equal to N E. N is number of electrons. E is equal to charge of electrons. E is charge of electrons. It is a 1.6 10 to minus 19 coulomb. Okay. First off, electric charge denoted by Q. Okay. Then what is the define of the electric charge? Q means that product of number of electrons and the charge of electrons and the charge of electrons is called इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज. तो इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज में जो है नंबर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एंड द चार्ज ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इज कॉल्ड द इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज. व्हाट इज द यूनिट ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज? यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक charge each coulomb. It is denoted by C. जो इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज है Q है उसका यूनिट क्या है? कोलम है और denoted by C. ओके. तो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट में क्या फ्लो होता है? इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज फ्लो होता है. जैसे आपने आपके किचन में देखा होगा कि आप कोई भी रेशंस रखते हो गैस पे, तो उसकी आप जब वो हीटेड होती है तो उसका हैंडल है तो अभी क्या हीट हो जाता है, मींस उसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या कर रहा है? मूव कर रहा है. मोशन ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. बट हियर आल्सो मोशन ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विद द नंबर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एंड द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द नंबर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एंड द चार्ज ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इज कॉल्ड द इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज एंड इट इज डिनोटेड बाय Q and its unit is coulomb. It is denoted by C. Using this formula, we can find out the electric charge Q is equal to Ne. First off, we have to see the electron. Electron is discovered by Sir J.J. Thomson. उन्होंने डिस्कवर किया. The charge of the electron is 1.6 10 to minus 19 coulomb. Means इलेक्ट्रॉन का चार्ज किसमें होता है? माइनस में होता है. इट इज नेगेटिव चार्ज. इलेक्ट्रॉन हैव ए नेगेटिव चार्ज एंड प्रोटॉन हैज ए पॉजिटिव चार्ज. इलेक्ट्रॉन rotate around the nucleus of the atom in the circular motion. Okay. Now we have to see about the electric current. What is the electric current? We have to see here about the electric current. जनरली जो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट है उसमें रेट ऑफ फ्लो चार्ज हो रहा है. क्या हो रहा है? चार्ज हो रहा है. वी हैव टू सी हियर इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. जनरली have the formula of to find out the electric current is I is equal to Q by T. Means rate of flow of electric charge per unit time is called electric current. It's called electric current. So electric current, how to produce? When the charge flows per unit time is called the electric current. Or other language we can write also electric charge flows per unit time. Means electric charge flows per unit time is called electric current. We have to see here. Rate of charge flows per unit time is called the electric current. I is electric current and Q is a electric charge. And T is time. Okay. Now what is the unit of the electric current? Generally electric current is denoted by I. Electric current is denoted by I. How we find out the unit of the electric current? We have to see here. Okay. I is electric current. What is the unit of electric charge? We have to see in previous time. The charge of the unit of the electric charge is coulomb. What is the coulomb? And what is the unit of the time? The unit of the time is second. Means I is equal to coulomb per second. It is also known as the ampere. The SI unit of the electric current is ampere. It is a SI unit. SI unit of the electric current is ampere. Standard unit. Electric current का जो standard unit है क्या? Ampere. I have a question. Why generally its unit is a coulomb per second, but why its name is ampere? That is the main reason. Electric current first introduced by Andre Ampere. जो electric current है उसको first introduce किसने किया था? Andre Ampere ने किया था. तो उनके नाम के हिसाब से according to the Andre Ampere, the unit of the electric current is known as ampere. It is a SI unit of the electric current. We have to see here the unit of the electric current. Now another component of the electricity is the electric potential. We have to see here. Now we read about the electric potential. Everybody have in mind what is the called the electric potential. But it is also very simple. You listen here, which is called the electric potential. We have to see here. Electric potential. Okay. Which is called the electric potential. We have to see here. Electric charge. Electric charge bringing from infinity to the particular point. ये कोई इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज है. क्या है? इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज है. कहाँ है? Infinity पे. It is electric charge from infinity इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज bringing from infinity to particular point, infinity to the particular point against the electrostatic force against to the electrostatic force, then work done is called electric potential. Again we have to see here, then electric charge bringing from infinity to particular point against to the electrostatic force, then work done is called electric potential. तो इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल में क्या है कि कोई भी इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज को आप इनफिनिटी से पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे ला रहे हो अगेंस्ट टू द इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स, तो उसको लाने में जो वर्क डन हो रहा है, अब इनफिनिटी से आप उसको पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे लाओगे तो क्या होगा, वर्क डन होगा, तो वो जो वर्क डन होगा उसको क्या कहोगे आप, इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल. इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल इज डिनोटेड बाय V. इलेक्ट्रिक potential is denoted by V. Simple. So what is the formula to find out the electric potential? Electric potential को find out करने का formula क्या है? So V means electric potential indicated by V. Work done क्या हो रहा है? वर्क डन हो रहा है, किसी चार्ज को इनफिनिटी टू पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे ला रहे हैं अगेंस्ट टू द इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स, तो क्या हो रहा है, वर्क डन अपॉन चार्ज. किसको ला रहे हो, चार्ज को लाने में वर्क डन हो रहा है, मींस V इज इक्वल टू W अपॉन Q. W इज वर्क डन, V इज इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल, okay. W is work done and Q is electric charge. Okay. So how we find out the unit of the electric potential? It is very easy. V is equal, what is the unit of work done? Work done का unit है वो क्या होता है, जूल होता है. क्या होता है, work done और energy, it have a same unit, joule. Or what is the unit of the electric charge? Unit of the electric charge is coulomb. What is the coulomb? That means joule per coulomb. Joule per coulomb means J upon C. It is also known as V means volt. Okay. It is ऐसा यूनिट ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल. तो इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल का ऐसा यूनिट क्या है, वोल्ट है. जनरली इट्स यूनिट इज जूल पर कूलम, बट हाउ इट इज इंडिकेटेड बाय द वोल्ट, दैट इज द मेन रीजन. इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल फर्स्ट इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय वोल्टा. इट इज ए इटालियन साइंटिस्ट. तो वोल्टा ने इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल को इंट्रोड्यूस किया था, तो उसके नाम के हिसाब से अकॉर्डिंग टू द वोल्टा इट्स unit is the volt, electric potential. Now we discuss about the potential difference. Potential difference, that is the simple way everybody have in mind. What is the potential difference? Is delta V, means V2 minus V1. Is a potential difference, in the difference between the potential. Okay, unit is same, both the potential difference और इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल दोनों का यूनिट क्या है, सेम है. फॉर्मूला क्या है, same because of V2 is also electric potential and V1 is also electric potential. Okay, now we discuss about the here we study about the electric potential. In the next lecture we study about the Ohm's law and the resistivity. Have a nice day. If anybody have any query regarding this unit, then ask me in comment box. And my number is 9664502115.